touch-free water tap. The aim of this project is to create a touch-free water tap that uses an IR sensor to detect hands and a relay module to control the water pump, so water flows automatically without touching the tap. Components: IR sensor, water pump, breadboard, 9V battery with clip, jumper wires, relay module. Component explanation. IR sensor, the eyes of our project. This sensor works like our eyes. When a person comes near, it sees it and sends a signal. Pins: VCC, power, GND, ground, output signal. Water pump. A small water pump is a tiny machine that can move water from one place to another. It works when electricity makes a little motor spin inside, which pushes the water out. Breadboard, the connection playground, helps us place and connect parts without soldering. 9V battery, the powerhouse, gives energy to the whole project. Jumper wires, the helpers, carry electricity between components. Relay module, the smart switch. It turns on the LED and buzzer when the IR sensor sends a signal. Connections. One, connect the VCC pin of both the IR sensor and relay module to the positive terminal of the 9V battery. They both need power to work. To connect the GND pins of both modules, to the negative terminal of the battery. They must share the same ground for proper working. 3, connect the out pin of the IR sensor to the in pin of the relay module. The sensor sends the intruder detected signal to the relay. 4, connect the COM terminal of the relay module to the positive terminal of the battery. This gives power to the relay's switching part. 5, connect the no terminal of the relay module to the positive, red, wire of the small water pump. It will supply power to pump when a hand is detected. 6, connect the small water pump negative terminals to the battery GND. Completing the circuit allows them to work properly. Result: the IR sensor successfully detected the presence of hands near the tap. The relay module worked as a switch to control the water pump. The water pump turned on automatically to let water flow without touching the tap. The project proved that sensors and simple electronics can make hygiene-friendly automatic systems. Precautions: always check battery positive and negative before connecting. Place the IR sensor at the right angle so it can detect hands clearly. Connect the IR sensor, relay, and pump properly to avoid short circuits. Disconnect the power when making changes to the circuit to prevent shocks or mistakes. Conclusion: the touch-free water tap project demonstrated the effective use of an IR sensor, relay module, and water pump to create an automatic system. The setup allowed water to flow when a hand was detected near the tap, eliminating the need for physical contact. This design highlights the practical application of sensors and control circuits in everyday life, showing how automation can improve hygiene and convenience.